Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Excel files to Google Form. So you will be needing your Excel file and Google Sheets for this one. So first you want to go to Excel and you want to save your work with. And then after you've saved it, you want to go to Google Sheets. And then over here, you will see a folder icon over here at the side. So just click on it. And then you want to go to the Upload tab, click on Browse. And you want to go ahead and upload your Excel workbook. And after you've uploaded your file, it will open up a new spreadsheet for you. And then you're going to click on Extensions up here. Then you're going to click on Add-ons, click on Get Add-ons. And in the search bar, you want to search for Form Builder. And you want to install this specific add-on, so I already have it installed. But after you've installed it, just close the window. And the add-on will appear over here at the right sidebar, so just click on it. Then you're going to click on Start. Then just want to go ahead and customize the setting. First of all, you want to go ahead and choose the sheet, which is going to be sheet 1 because this is sheet 1 as you can see. And then you're going to choose the data range that you want to create a form with. It could be default or you can also choose the range like so. And then you're going to select the pattern. It could be just questions. It could also be questions and answer, or it could also be a quiz. So I'm just going to select questions. And then you're going to click on this option if the range includes headers. So I've checked this option because I have my header over here. And then you're going to select the column of the question, which is going to be column A for me. And after that, just click on Get. Then it will show you a preview of your questions. And then you can go ahead and unselect them if you don't want them to be in the form. And then you're just going to click on Yes if the questions are correct. And then just click on Create. You can change the Google Form name. And after you've done that, just click on Create. And after that your form was created, you just want to go ahead and click on the arrow button over here at the side. And after that, it will open a new tab for you, opening in Google Form with your questions already there. So that's it. Thanks for watching.